Learn English to Hindi. Can and could with.
सकना,
Welcome to the land of possible disasters. Hey, you're about to learn how to say can and could in Hindi without sounding like a confused potato. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after me. Today your magic key is
सकना,
which means can or to be able to. Imagine a heroic goat in sunglasses standing on a mountain and shouting, I!
सकना,
Exclamation mark quote. Yes, the grammar is more careful than the goat, but the image helps. We will also learn past ability.
मैं कर सका,
For I could.
तुम कर सकते थे,
For you could.
वो कर सका,
For he was able to.
वो कर सकती थी,
For she could.
ये संभव था,
For it was possible.
हम कर सकते थे,
For we could.
तुम सब कर सके,
For you all were able to, and.
वे कर सके.
For they were able to. That is a full team of possibility. Your core power word. Start with the base verb and let it settle in your ear. This is your language dumbbell. The base word is.
सकना,
It expresses ability. Can, be able to. Say it slowly.
सकना,
Again.
सकना,
Tiny memory trick.
सकना,
Is like a key that opens the door of possibility. Funny picture. A lazy cat looks at a fish on a shelf and whispers.
सकना,
Then waits for the fish to jump down by itself. Nice try, cat. Meet the could family. Now you will meet the whole dramatic family of past ability. They sound serious, but we will not be serious. I could.
मैं कर सका,
You could.
तुम कर सकते थे,
He was able to.
वो कर सका,
She could.
वो कर सकती थी,
It was possible.
ये संभव था,
We could.
हम कर सकते थे,
You all were able to.
तुम सब कर सके,
They were able to.
वे कर सके.
A ridiculous mini-story. Listen to this tiny story and notice how the forms keep popping up. Your job is just to enjoy and absorb. Yesterday, the town held the Great Mango Rescue. A mango was stuck on a roof, which is already a sentence nobody expected to hear today. First I tried. After many jumps, I proudly yelled.
मैं कर सका,
Then my friend looked at me and said, honestly.
तुम कर सकते थे,
Much faster if you had used the ladder. A boy arrived, climbed up, and yes.
वो कर सका.
Then his sister appeared, cooler than everyone else, and of course.
वो कर सकती थी,
Reach the mango too. Suddenly the crowd realized.
ये संभव था,
All along. We looked at each other and sighed.
हम कर सकते थे,
Solved this an hour ago. Then the whole neighborhood joined in, and yes.
तुम सब कर सके.
Shouted the old tea seller to the children. In the end, the newspaper wrote.
वे कर सके.
Save the mango. Civilization survived. Quick pattern notes. You do not need a giant grammar book right now. Just notice these useful patterns. Base ability is.
सकना,
For a completed success in the past with I, you hear.
मैं कर सका.
With he, it can be.
वो कर सका.
With she, it becomes.
वो कर सकती थी.
For groups, listen for forms like.
हम कर सकते थे, तुम सब कर सके,
And.
वे कर सके.
For possibility itself, not a person, you can say.
ये संभव था.
Echo drill. Now repeat like a confident actor in an overdramatic film trailer. I say it, you echo it. Can.
सकना,
I could.
मैं कर सका.
You could.
तुम कर सकते थे,
He was able to.
वो कर सका.
She could.
वो कर सकती थी.
It was possible.
ये संभव था.
We could.
हम कर सकते थे,
You all were able to.
तुम सब कर सके,
They were able to.
वे कर सके.
Mini dialogues with mild chaos. Here come some natural little scenes. Listen once, then replay and speak both parts if you want. A. Could you open the jar? B. Yesterday.
मैं कर सका.
Today the jar has become too powerful. A. You had the ladder. B. Yes, yes.
तुम कर सकते थे.
Is basically your way of saying I missed my chance. A. Did Ravi finish the climb? B. Yes.
वो कर सका.
A. And Mira? B. Of course.
वो कर सकती थी.
She also carried snacks. A. Was the plan impossible? B. No.
ये संभव था.
We were just being dramatic. A. Could we finish before lunch? B.
हम कर सकते थे.
But somebody started a debate about samosas. A. Did the whole class solve it? B. Yes.
तुम सब कर सके.
Said the teacher proudly. A. What about the team from next door? B. In the end.
वे कर सके.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let us see what stuck to your brain. No pressure, just heroic educational suspense. How do you say can?
सकना.
How do you say I could?
मैं कर सका.
How do you say you could?
तुम कर सकते थे.
How do you say he was able to?
वो कर सका.
How do you say she could?
वो कर सकती थी.
How do you say it was possible?
ये संभव था.
How do you say we could?
हम कर सकते थे.
How do you say you all were able to?
तुम सब कर सके.
How do you say they were able to?
वे कर सके.
Your final challenge. Now do one last active round. Try to answer before the Hindi appears. Say, we could help.
हम कर सकते थे.
Say, it was possible.
ये संभव था.
Say, they were able to do it.
वे कर सके.
Say, she could.
वो कर सकती थी.
Say, I could.
मैं कर सका.
Say, you all were able to.
तुम सब कर सके.
Friendly goodbye. You did great today. Yes, really, this is your official tiny victory parade. Thank you for learning with me. Today you practiced.
सकना. मैं कर सका. तुम कर सकते थे. वो कर सका. वो कर सकती थी. ये संभव था. हम कर सकते थे. तुम सब कर सके.
And.
वे कर सके.
Keep repeating them out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and do not worry about perfection. Practice a little tomorrow, and you absolutely can keep improving.
सकना.